Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe as I upload new videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Now today I'm going to show you how I make my very own natural deodorant. Yes, it's possible to make all natural deodorant with stuff that you might already have lying around the house. Now, I started doing this last year or maybe last summer just because I noticed that there were so many harmful chemicals in deodorants that we buy, yes, including Dove, but there's so many harsh chemicals, a lot of metals that are linked to cancerous cells and all that sort of stuff. And so me being the natural butterfly that I am, I wanted to find a natural alternative. So I went on Pinterest and I found this recipe, and I've been using it faithfully ever since, and it has yet to fail me. So I really wanted to share my recipe with you and go through how I make it. So first, what you're gonna need to do is order some plain roll-on deodorant containers. I got this from AliExpress. I believe it was like $3 for a pack of 3, so roughly $1 per roll-on. This is going to be a liquid deodorant, so you will need a roll-on deodorant bottle, or you can maybe use a mister, like a little spray, whichever you prefer. I find that the roll-on is just easiest for me. You're also going to need some witch hazel, and I use the TN Dixon's witch hazel because it is 100% natural. However, you can use whatever witch hazel that you prefer. You will also need some aloe vera gel. Preferably, I would recommend using fresh aloe from an aloe vera plant. However, if you're in a hurry or you don't know where to buy one or can't find one, the aloe vera gel that you buy in the store will suffice. You will also need an essential oil of your choice. I particularly like peppermint because it leaves a tingling sensation under my arms and it smells really good. And I've just always used peppermint. You can use lemongrass or citrus or lavender, whatever you prefer. I just happen to prefer peppermint oil. You will also probably need a dropper. You don't need one, but it just makes it easier transferring the mixture from a bowl into your deodorant roll-on. You could probably use a turkey baster or a spoon, just spooning it in, but for me, the dropper works best. And again, I bought this on AliExpress. It was a pack of 10 for like $2. So. And lastly, you will need pure baking soda, which can be found at almost any store. So first off, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the baking soda. So I'm gonna open this up. So I finally got my baking soda open, and I'm gonna put a couple of scoops, and I'm gonna have quantity, specific measurements, all of that at the bottom in the description. But for the purpose of this video, I've been doing it a while, so I'm really just gonna freehand it. However, if you want specific measurements, just take a look at the description below. So I'm gonna start with the baking soda and just put, again, I have a little bowl here. I'm gonna scoop a little baking soda into the bowl. Then I'm going to put some of my witch hazel in the bowl, just enough to make it nice and liquidy. I'm gonna put a few squirts of my aloe vera gel, and I'm gonna put about 10 drops of my essential oil. And I am going to mix that all up together. Okay, and I'm gonna tilt the camera so that you can see the mixture here that I have. This is what it's going to look like. And again, if you use all natural aloe vera gel, yours isn't gonna look green like that. Yours is gonna look just clear. Once I've got a good consistency, I'm gonna use my eyedropper to transfer it from the bowl to my bottle here. And if you're not familiar with how to use it, you just unscrew, and this part screws off, and you can insert it that way. So I'm gonna get my dropper here and fill it up. And I'm literally just transferring it from my bowl into the roll-on container. So it's gonna take me a little while. Almost full. All right, so I have filled my container with my ingredients all mixed together, and so I'm gonna close this back up and make sure it's tight. I notice that sometimes it leaks, so, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some. And that is it. We're all good. It makes my underarms super soft. I don't get sweat stains on any of my clothes, and it's all natural. So I'm literally ditching all of those harsh chemicals found in commercial deodorant. So it's a win-win-win-win for me. And it's really cheap because with all the products or ingredients that we use to make it, I could probably get about, I'd say maybe 6 of these. So what, it's like $2 and some change or whatever for like a Suave or Degree deodorant. So you're getting a better deal by making your own. So that's it. So drop a comment below and let me know if you use natural deodorants, if you've made any yourself. Let me know what type of ingredients that you use, what essential oils you used, and if you do decide to use this recipe, let me know how it works out for you. Thanks for joining me, guys. Bye.